Hey guys, I'm going to do a video today on this coolant pressure testing system I bought from Amazon. I'll show you guys it if you're thinking of buying it. It's a pretty nice little kit. Lots of nice looking aluminum fittings here for all your different style rad caps and reservoirs. Got the traditionals, the kind that screw onto your coolant reservoir if you don't have a rad cap or it's not accessible. Of course, the pressure tester here. Like I said, all in all, it looks like a pretty nice kit. It does multiple vehicles. I'm hoping it does my vehicle because that's what I'm going to use it on today. And we're going to test it out together for the first time. Inside the manual, it does have a list of all the vehicles it does. It doesn't necessarily list my Dodge Ram pickup. However, I'm sure it doesn't list all of the vehicles it does. This is probably just a list of the major popular. I mean, a lot of these vehicles look to me like they're more European than American. But anyway, we'll take it outside, give it a check. It also has a temperature gauge here, which I probably won't use today. I just have a small coolant leak on my Dodge truck, and we're going to try and find that. I think it's one of the O-rings on the top of the engine. But anyway, hopefully this kit will find it, and it works for me. I will post a link or picture of this exact kit that I bought from Amazon. I think it was around 80 bucks. There is a bigger kit with more fittings, but because I don't really do this all the time anymore, I figured this kit was probably good. I hope. So let's take it outside and try it out. Alright, so we're outside now. It's about -6. I'll show you which hose I believe is leaking. I think it's this one right behind the EGR. Goes down. I think that's it. It's so hard to tell. When I get back from a drive, you can't really see it. Sometimes you can smell it. You can see steam coming out from under the hood, but that's why I'm hoping this will speed things up. This tool comes in handy because rather than having the truck run for half an hour to build pressure and try and heat it up, we can simply do this quickly. So I'll just try and find a rad cap that is similar here. That one looks good. Get our pressure testing gauge out. I like this part because it's got a quick disconnect to put over it, and then you can just push this pin in here to release your pressure. So we'll go ahead and start pressurizing this thing. See if we can find the leak. Alright, so I've been pumping this thing trying to build pressure, and I have two problems. One is my level's so low because it's been leaking for quite some time. It's taken forever to build pressure because I'm not pushing against liquid. And the other problem is that it's coming out as I'm pumping it up. I can hear the air coming out. So I'm just gonna try and pump it up here. I definitely know where my leak is. I can hear it. So let's just go ahead, try and fix that O-ring. They're a real pain in the butt. I have problems with them at least once a year. We'll throw a new O-ring in there, clean it up, and hopefully it fixes it. And then we'll re-pressure test it when we're done. Alright guys, I'm back. I believe I have both my leaks fixed, and I did say both. There was down on this pipe here like I expected, and once I had that fixed, I threw some pressure into it, which it actually built this time. but I found a second leak right here where it's just an oversized pipe. Goes to a smaller one, and in here's an O-ring. Definitely not one of my favorite ideas from Dodge. But anyway, both leaks are fixed, and I am proud to report I put 10 psi in the truck just for the heck of it, and it's been holding for about 10 minutes, so that's great. I'm happy. The kit works. That's awesome. So now I'm just going to go ahead, fill it up with coolant, get it started. I got a bleeder screw here. I'll bleed the air out, but anyway, that's not part of the video. The video was really just to test out this coolant pressure testing system, and I'd recommend it. That's a nice set. Thanks a lot for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.